In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a gift card on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Redeeming any sort of code that you have on your Nintendo Switch eShop is extremely simple. This is going to work for gift cards that are going to give you balance into your Nintendo account so you can spend it on games, expansion packs, and any purchases on the eShop, and also for game vouchers. So if you bought a digital code or something else, you will also be able to redeem it that way. So all that you have to do is from your Nintendo Switch's home screen, go into the eShop. If you have never used the eShop before, you will have to set up your Nintendo ID or Nintendo account, and most importantly, connect to the internet. So do that process if you haven't already, and once you are inside of the eShop, if you look at the left side of the screen, there will be plenty of categories. Usually, the last one is going to say enter code or redeem code. That is where you must input the gift card that you have to use it on your Nintendo Switch. Now, most codes redeemed here are going to be 16-digit codes, so they are going to be divided in fours, and you can include all the characters there. Double check everything, make sure that you don't mix up anything on the card, such as zeros and O's for example, and follow the instructions listed both on the page of redemption and also the gift card itself. Immediately upon entering the 16-digit code for a game, your gift card code so you can get balance, etc., there will be a pop-up telling you what you just redeemed. You will be able to confirm that you wish to redeem it into your account, and it is going to be instantly available for you. So if it is a game, you will find it on the home screen ready to download. If it is a gift card to add balance into your account, it is going to be available for you to spend on the eShop, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to use gift card on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.